Hi, this is Sohali Khan and you're watching India Glitz.
मैं चाहता हूं कि आप एक ऐसी रिपोर्ट बनाएं कि पूरे देश में देशभक्ति की लहर दौड़ाए.
Reporting live from the border. It is so different from Sahibi Gangster Returns. It is so different from any other film that has been made in this country. It is a war comedy, which is an interesting concept in itself. Because we've seen war films in India before, we've seen Border, we've seen LOC, which are dramatic and intense. And this is very light. I mean, when you look at the poster only, you're like, you can see my expression. It's like, what's going on? And that's what the film is. We're showing you the relations between soldiers at the border from India and from Pakistan. And what we imagine that relationship to be is not actually what it is. And there's a lot of humor, but behind that humor, there's a very serious message. And that is that we don't want this war because this war is not in our interest.
अबे भटियारा समझा है आ गए भीख मंगो की तरह यहाँ पे.
आज खाने में क्या मिला?
बस यही पूछ के जान ले लो हमारी तुम लोग. गोलियां चलाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
I am playing a senior TV reporter who gets an opportunity to go to the border, and her boss asks her to go and cover one day at the border. And an incident that is about to happen at the border. And so she's very excited because every TV journalist, especially a war reporter's dream is to go to the border. And her dream also as a young girl is perhaps to go to the border and meet some handsome army officers, which she gets a chance to do. So both her dreams come true.
Every Pakistani soldier has his day. बम फोड़ना है, बाकी के सब कहाँ हैं जवान?
I've always loved him as a performer. I mean, from his theatre days, he's always been a spectacular actor. And we've seen him in so many different roles. In Rang De Basanti also, he blew me away. In Three Idiots, he blew me away. Every time he comes on screen, he brings something fresh. And in this film, you'll see him in a whole new avatar because he is dressed for the first time, I think, as an army officer. So in uniform and commanding people and, invoking feelings of patriotism and discipline. And, I think my character immediately as she goes to the border, the first time she sees him, there's immediate attraction and then they have a lot of time off camera, to spend together. She's always recording stuff, but then she manages to put it away. And Ruth and Captain Raj have a very special and interesting bond as well.
Congratulations!
So much fun. Actually, we were doing two films simultaneously, Javed Bhai and myself. We were shooting for Jo Bhi Karwalo, and we were shooting for War Chhodna Yaar at the same time. And actually, I don't have many scenes with him because his scenes are set in Pakistan and I'm in Hindustan. And but we interact, and he's so funny. But in this film, he's in a very different role because it's restrained, it's subtle. There's a lot of problems that both armies are facing. And as you can see in the promo, in Pakistan, they're very concerned with the food situation and the water situation, and he's having to handle that. His relationship again with his commander, Commander Khan, is very humorous. It's always a pleasure working with him.
हुल्लर मचा है देखो देखो यहाँ देखेगा इसको आज सारा जहां.
Oof, it was very, very difficult. We were shooting in a place that was 2 hours away from our hotel. So we were staying in Bikaner and shooting in Pitrasar Gaon. It would take a lot of time to get there. And then we would spend all day on set because van se lekar set bhi matlab bahut dur tha. And walking in the dunes is very difficult. And then working in the day it was very hot and working at night it was very cold. Because there would be like a 30-degree difference in temperature from day to night. All of these boys had short crew cuts and, in their army uniforms. I had long hair and keeping that, looking glamorous and doing all of that. It was very difficult. But worth it because you can see those visuals. And it really, that production design, Monica Bhaumik did the production design, superb. I felt like I was at the border.